Hello everyone, welcome to Roadmap, and today's topic is soil part 1. If you liked the video, don't forget to click on subscribe button. You can also give comments in the suggestion box given below. So the topics to be covered are introduction, composition of soil, and soil profile. Now coming to the introduction, as you can see from the picture, that soil is the topmost layer of the earth's crust and it has got many uses. Soil is a foundation for many plants and animals. There are vast number of plants and animals for which it provides foundation. It is serving as a storehouse for minerals and waters which is needed for the growth of various plants and animals. It also provides shelter to animals. Without soil, there will be no grass, no food, no tree, and so it will be difficult for all plants and animals and also for human beings to survive on earth. There are some places on earth which have no soil. So as we can say that soil is very important, and without it there are some places where there is no soil at all, like the large areas of Antarctica and Arctic region, which is covered with snow and ice and have no soil for plants to grow. So we know that plants and importance need soil for their growth, and without soil it is very difficult for them to grow. Now coming to the soil composition. Composition of soil depends upon the type of soil. The soil composition has got different for different types of soil. Composition of soil depends on types of rock from which it is formed. So all soil contain the following components such as mineral particles, organic salts, inorganic salts, moisture or water, and also air. So these are the components which are required for the soil composition, and the type of soil depends upon the type of rock from which it is formed. This is very important. The mineral particles are of three types: gravel, clay and sand. From the figure you can see that clay, sand and gravel are looking different. They have got different textures, they have got different colors, and their properties are also different. In the coming slides, we will learn about their different properties. So, the mineral particles, we learned that there are three types: gravel, clay and sand. Soil composition. The inorganic substances, organic salts, water and air are also the components of soil. So inorganic substances. Soil contains variety of inorganic salts such as nitrates, sulfates, phosphates and carbonates of potassium, magnesium, sodium and iron. These salts are derived from the parent rock from which the soil is formed. There are also organic salts. Now organic salts are added depending on the activity of plant and animal. Death and decomposition also add organic material to the soil. So organic plants, how they are added? By the death and decomposition, and also from the activity of plant and animal, and also excreta of humans as well as animals. So the complete decomposed product of plants and animals is called as humus. Remember, this is very important, that the complete decomposed product of plant and animal is called as humus. And why humus? Humus makes soil fertile and it also improves the water holding capacity. It is also useful for the growth of microbes. Now organic salts are why important, you must have got, because they provide fertility to the soil and also improves the water holding capacity, and for the growth of microbes they are very important. Now coming to the water or moisture in soil. water is required for the growth of plants, and it determines the water holding capacity. Now, the soil composition of air is also an important component. Air is present in soil in spaces between soil particles. It provides respiration of plants and animals, and also the amount of air present depends upon the type of soil. So we learned that there are different components of soil composition are air, water or moisture, inorganic salts, organic salts, and mineral particles. Now, coming to the soil profile. Most of the soil profile consists of three layers, which are called as horizons. And there are three layers, there are three horizons, which are named as A horizon, B horizon, and C horizon. Now let's look at them one by one. From the figure you can see that the topmost layer, which is the uppermost layer, is A horizon. B horizon is the middle layer, and beneath that the last layer is the C horizon. So you can make out from the diagram the A horizon, B horizon, and C horizon. A horizon, as I said, it is the uppermost layer. You can see from the figure that it is darkest in color and it contains humus. The complete decomposed product is called as humus. Humus, why it is important as we learned before? It makes the soil fertile. And some of the living organisms are also present in this upper portion, which is the A horizon. It also helps in improving the water holding capacity, and roots of some plants absorb food from this layer. So this is the topmost layer, hence it is called as the topsoil layer. This is about the A horizon. You can remember it much quickly looking at the diagram that it is darkest in color. It is the uppermost layer, so it is called as topsoil. Some plants absorb food from this layer. It helps in water holding capacity, and some of the living organisms are present, and it contains humus which makes the soil fertile. Now coming to the B horizon. As you can see from the diagram that the B horizon is the middle layer, and it is also called as subsoil. This layer is present beneath the A horizon, so it is called as subsoil, and it is lighter or grey or red in color than the A horizon. So darkest one is A horizon and lighter one is the B horizon, and it has got more sands and stones present inside them. So some of the few plants have roots to reach the soil. All plants cannot reach this layer. Only few plants have their roots which can reach this layer, and they are not suitable for plant growth. They have very little organic matter. So from the diagram you can make out that the B horizon is called as subsoil. It is the middle layer. It is lighter than the A horizon, generally lighter or grey or red in color. It has got more sand and stones. It has got few plants which reach the soil. The few roots of the plants reach the soil. They are not suitable for plant growth and they have very little organic matter. Now coming to the C horizon. C horizon is the lowermost layer. You can see that the last layer is C horizon. It has stones and rocks present. There is no organic matter present in it, and beneath the C horizon the bedrock is present. Bedrock is the solid rock which is present. So you can get about the soil profile that it has got three layers A, B and C, and it has got different properties of A, B and C horizon. So thank you for listening the video, and see the part 2 for the next topics. Thank you.